what's up, it's Jenny. Welcome to another weekly video on my channel. And for this week's video, I'm doing another anime-inspired makeup look, and it's inspired by the anime character Chrollo Lucifer from Hunter x Hunter or Hunter x Hunter, however you're supposed to say it. But yeah, we can get right into the video. Okay, so there's a few elements to this makeup look, but it's gonna go in a weird order as always because I have trouble doing certain parts of the makeup look. Even though this is low-key supposed to be kind of a tutorial, but you know, I'm an amateur and I just enjoy playing around with makeup and creating these looks. So thank you for watching if you are. I am starting with the eye look this time instead of doing my base for foundation and all of that because I had a lot of trouble doing the eye look this time. First, I'm going to put some primer on my eye to really get that pigment to show. I'm using the e.l.f. Putty Primer. First, I just put some on and then blend it out with a different finger. Okay, the primer is all done, and now I'm going in a weird order again. I'm starting with the eyeliner for the eye look for this makeup look is inspired by Chrollo's earrings that he has. He has like a little green bluish like globe, and then it has two silver rings on top of the globe. I'll put a picture somewhere up here. But since I don't have the earrings, then I still wanted to do something inspired by this character. I'm incorporating the earrings onto my eyes, if that makes sense. I'm taking this white eyeliner and honestly it's running out, but I'm just using it as a base so that I can see how it'll look with the eyeshadow. But I'll go back in later and fix it. So first, I'm gonna start at the corner of my eye and bring it out and wing it out just a little bit on top of my eyelid. This might look different for some people depending on their eye shape, so you really just have to play around to see which one is best for your eye shape, I think. But this is what works for mine. Okay, there's the first line. Surprised I didn't mess that up already, but I'm gonna add another top line because the earrings have those two like rings around the globe. First, I'm gonna start at the same line and then bring it just slightly above it. Okay, got one side down, and now I'm just gonna do the other really quickly. Okay, I feel like I'm looking a little crazy with this so far, but really it's just trust the process. I have the eyeliner base down so I know what shape I'm going for, but it's not really pigmented because I have a pretty crappy white eyeliner. It's just running out. But I'm gonna go back over it later. Next, I'm gonna go into getting my eyeshadow base down. I am just taking a fluffy brush and I'm going in with a color that's a little similar to the color of his earrings. I'm using this Animal Crossing ColourPop little palette, but I'm sure you can find this color somewhere else depending on what you have. So again, I'm just taking a fluffy brush and putting it all over my lid. I'm not really worried about getting it over the white eyeliner I just did because I'm going over it again. Okay, I got the green base down and now I'm gonna go in with this peachy nude color and go on top of the green and put it on my crease so that I can blend it easier into my eye and it looks more natural. Okay, next I'm taking a smaller eyeshadow brush and going in with a brown/gray shimmery color, and I'm gonna put this in the corner of my eyes. and then bring it up slowly. Okay, going back with the same brush that I used for my inner corner, I'm going in with a more silvery shade, and I'm putting that inside of the white area that I lined out, so that I can get that little silver effect that the earrings had from Chrollo's outfit. Okay, I got all my eyeshadow base down, and now I'm gonna go back over the white eyeliner that I had. I can faintly see it still. This time I'm using this water activated eyeliner kit that I have. Alright, got the majority of what I want for the eye look down. Now I'm just gonna go in with some black eyeliner. This is also gonna take a while, so if this is not in the video, you'll know why. Alright, I am just gonna go ahead and do my normal base quickly. I just have some Milk Hydro Grip Primer and blending it all over my face. And blending it in. I am gonna go in with just a little bit of concealer. If I can find it. Got my e.l.f. Camo concealer. I'm just gonna put a little bit here and a little bit here. Now that I look a little bit more awake, hopefully with the concealer, I'm going in with my Cosmetics Staging Cushion foundation and putting it all over my face. I feel like I keep looking at myself in the camera mirror and keep thinking that I'm just looking more scary and scary each time. I'm gonna put on some powder to set my face and to make sure I don't go all oily, because oiliness is my problem. And now I'm gonna contour. I'm doing the same contour technique that I did in my last video, and if you haven't checked that out, you should check it out. I again want that snatched face because Chrollo do be snatched. Since it's already in my last video, I'm just probably gonna quickly go over this part. Okay, looking scary as always. I got the face contour down, but I'm gonna add just a little bit of contour to my nose. I just want it a little bit more pointed for this look. So I'm just taking the same contour color that I'm using and trying to make a thin line on my nose. I am starting from the top and going down straight and curving it slightly or making it more slanted at the bottom, and doing the same thing on the other side. I'm using a concealer brush for this, by the way, so that I can get the lines that I want. I had a hard time figuring out what contour I liked for my nose, and I found this technique to make it a little bit more pointed for those really snatched anime cosplay looks. I added just a little bit more contour to make a little button nose, but I made the lines more slanted so that it'll be not a button nose, but like just a perfect little highlight in the center of my nose. I'm just going over the line so that I have that contour. And I'm gonna bring a little bit of the contour down to cast a shadow. I'm wiping off the excess on my hand because next I'm gonna go in with some of the highlighter with the same brush and just going in the center with a line. And a little space in between and putting a little dot in the center. Alright, and I'm gonna blend it out. Okay, before I move on to the final part of this look, I'm gonna quickly fill in my brows. I'm just brushing them out and filling them in with a little pomade stick that I have. Okay, it's the final step where I'm doing Chrollo's little tattoo slash mark. I'm not exactly sure what it is because it's never explained in the anime, and I don't know if it's in the manga or not. I don't plan on reading the manga ever as much as I want to get more Hunter x Hunter content because I really like the story and the author's just storyline. I forget his name. But looking at the manga, I saw that the Chimera ant arc was super long, and I don't know if I really want to read the manga. I feel like it'll I feel like I'm putting my hopes up if I read the manga, basically. That was a random explanation, but yeah, I'm gonna do the mark now. Make sure that you have a really good eyeliner because if you don't, this look will be a lot more difficult than it should be. How I started was to find the center of my face and put a little dot where I think the center diamond should go. Okay, just putting the tiniest dot because I want to be very careful with this mark. Basically, I'm gonna make the diamond shape first. My contacts are going in and out because they're low-key kind of time for them to change. But sometimes I overuse my contacts when they're expired when I shouldn't be. I just never remember when I open my contact lenses. Okay, got my center diamond. It's looking a little bit fat in my opinion. Not that I'm body shaming a diamond, I don't know. But next I'm gonna go in with the cross lines in the center. I gotta use a smaller mirror for this so that I have something to anchor my hand on. Okay, I got one line down and now I'm gonna do the rest of the line extension, so that means the line that goes horizontal and then the little like teardrop kind of shape on top. So first I'm doing the horizontal line carefully, very carefully. Okay, there we go. That is the best horizontal line on top that I've done after trying this tattoo part like 200 times. Okay, to get the teardrop shape now, I am gonna make a little U on the top of this horizontal line. Okay, you can kind of see the little U on top. And then I'm gonna curve it inwards and have a little pointy tip. Okay, there we go. Now I just gotta repeat that 3 more times. Okay, that took a while and I think part of my footage cut out, but I'm not sure, so sorry if the footage is a little weird right here. but I'm gonna put on some lip gloss and some lashes to finish off the look off camera, and we can go see the final look over here. Alright, so this is the final look. I ended up adding just a little bit more of eyeshadow on the bottom part of my eyeline, of my waterline, to add, you know, just a little bit more pizzazz and color to the overall look. But yeah, I had a lot of fun creating this, and if you enjoyed it, please give this video a thumbs up. If you have any more suggestions on this look or suggestions for anime looks in the future, please leave a comment down below. Just let me know overall how you thought of the video. But yeah, thanks so much for watching, and I hope to see you next week. Bye!